friends, I'm gonna open this product with you. This is a seat cushion for office chair. I'm in the office obviously, and I'm gonna use it now to tell you how it feels, how it works, how they see. Came in this packet. I think that is great because you can put it in when you don't use it. I'm gonna begin with these scissors, and I wanna show you how the seat takes form when you cut it. Look. So this is the seat. In this part have this anti-slip texture, and this seat is special for office chair, game chair, or you can use it in your car seat too. This is the way that looks in my chair. So I'm gonna sit. Feels great. It's so comfortable. This seat have a durable memory, so your seat will be the same form before you use it because have a durable memory. So I highly recommend it because it's comfortable, it's beautiful, it's high quality. As you can see, the durable memory is perfect. I can make this and in a second take the same form that always. So I highly recommend it. See you.